Okay, let's try out some of these dehydrated eggs here. So, put in a couple of spoonfuls to rehydrate. It's a little clumpy, but it's all, this is clumps of powder. Let's see. Now I admit, I am not a dehydrated egg fan. Too many times in the military, just say I'm a fan of this. But while that rehydrates a little bit, you go ahead and put pot on the heat, and I add a little bit more. So, funny story, now I've dehydrated the eggs. The dehydrator's not allowed in the kitchen anymore. So you want to bear that in mind if you want to try this project, because it will, it doesn't exactly smell good. So, the dehydrator has been moved to another room for further projects. Alright, let's see what we got here. That pot a little bit, a few more minutes to heat up here. Now, this is darker than a lot of dehydrated eggs I've seen and had, but my yolks of my chickens tend to be a lot darker than normal too. Alright, I dare say that's done. It smells like scrambled eggs. do a taste test here. Well, it's powdered eggs. It's gritty, like powdered eggs I remember from the military. It tastes like powdered eggs. So there you go. Not a big fan of this project. Probably won't be doing it again, but it was worth the experiment. As far as the limed eggs, I'll be trying them in about another month or so. It has already been over a month since I shot the first part of this video, because I shot the video and then I went to work. So it's already been a little while, so I'm going to give it a little bit, about a month or two later, and we'll try the eggs and see how they're doing. Anyway, thanks for watching. These are probably going to go back to the chickens. Have a good day.